Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. Today I will discuss the interest rate hike by RBI in detail and its impact on Nifty 50 and Nifty Bank also. Then I have got one stock for you all which is very popular and in news today, you can guess it. I will discuss it fundamentally and technically also, and I will give you the new target for it. So stay connected till the end and hit the like button now only. So let's start with the RBI. I will discuss it in short with the key points. So let's just start. Number one, actually Monetary Policy Committee hiked the repo rate by 50 bps and now it has become the 5.9%. Repo rate has become the 5.9%. Earlier it was 5.4%. तो इसको 0.5% से बढ़ा दिया. So what will be the impact? The for borrowers, the loan will become, car loan hai, home loan hai, that will become the costlier. They have to pay more interest rate for that. But इसके opposite, the depositor will enjoy the increased interest rate. They will get increased interest rate on their deposit. तो ये एक सबसे बड़ा इम्पैक्ट पड़ेगा द इंटरेस्ट रेट हाइक का. नाउ विल कम टू नंबर 2, जीडीपी ग्रोथ. तो आरबीआई एक्चुअली प्रोजेक्टेड द जीडीपी ग्रोथ फॉर फाइनेंशियल ईयर 23 is 7%, which is little negative because earlier it was 7.2 something kind of thing. It was more. Now it is less. So means थोड़ा सा negative growth है. Now third number is inflation. Inflation to remain elevated at around 6% in the second half of this financial year. So actually RBI is doing all that to control the inflation, to keep it in range which is 6%, but now abhi currently it is 6.7%. So this RBI will keep increasing the rate to control the inflation even coming month also, maybe in December and later on. So inflation rate abhi bhi 6.7% ही है. Now fourth point is RBI to remain focused on the withdrawal of accommodation stance. ये old stance पहले भी यही था and RBI is sticking with this stance. So RBI will remain focused. Now last point is an important point is bank credit growth. Last bank credit grew 16.2% Y on Y as on September 9 versus last year it was 6.7%. So 6.7% to 16.2%, it was huge growth. That's what I told in my last video कि bank Nifty Bank is growing fundamentally. So अभी बैंक निफ्टी का worst time is over now. So after discussing the RBI things in detail, उसका क्या impact रहा market पे, that I am going to discuss on Nifty and Nifty Bank. So पहले Nifty, after coming this news, instead of being negative, market बिल्कुल positive हो गया because पहले से ही market factored in कर चुका था this 50 bps interest rate hike. मार्केट को पहले से ही पता था, एक हफ्ते से 1 वीक से इट वाज नेगेटिव बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ओनली. तो आफ्टर कमिंग दिस न्यूज द रेट वाज एक्सपेक्टेड, it has become positive and see how positive it was on Friday. It was opened at 16,800. 16,800 was very strong support, or then after it touched the even 16,200 somewhere high also. So what can be the levels for next week, that I will discuss. But first I want to discuss, see, the last week 16,800 was very good support. It has taken very good support, even 700 तक भी गया 800, yes, 800, which is 200 EMA also. So 800 तक भी गया, but it has not broken it this support till now. और ये this candle shows and more things. Or after the taking this support, it has raised again, surged again. So what can be the level for the next week? If it's breaking down 16,800 broken, then yes, can be next support can be a 16,500 here. Yes, here, after filling this gap, first support is 16,650, 16,650, and then after 16,500 can be the next support. बट उसकी चांसेस थोड़ा कम दिखते हैं. बट अगर ऐसा होता है तो दिस कैन बी अ लेवल विच आई कैन टेल यू. एंड ऊपर के लेवल पे एक 17,300 टू 17,400, यहाँ पे 17,400 से, विच इज 20 EMA ऑल्सो. 17,400 से 17,300 पे एक निफ्टी 50 विल फेस सम रेजिस्टेंस हेयर, may retrace from here also. Otherwise, if after breaking this, it will definitely go to 17,700. So you can keep these levels in your mind. 17,000, 16,000, अभी तो 16,800 ही है. 16,800 to 17,300 to 400. नीचे के लेवल पे आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग 16,650 एंड देन 16,500, 500. एंड ऊपर के लेवल पे आफ्टर ब्रेकिंग 17,400, इट कैन बी 17,700 फॉर द होल वीक, इवन फॉर द नेक्स्ट टू नेक्स्ट वीक ऑल्सो. सो निफ्टी 50 लेवल शुड बी 16,800 टू 17,300 to 400. Now I will come to the Nifty Bank. So after discussing the impact of RBI decision on Nifty 50, now I'll discuss the impact of RBI decision on Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank, after coming news, Nifty Bank is surged like anything. Means क्या भागा है, means I can't tell you. And then 37,660 पे it was opened, and it touched the high of 38,800, means more than 1,000 point in one day. So the reason I have already told you in first part, the bank credit growth. The bank credit growth is very high comparatively last year. So discuss the charts. See, after touching the 41,000 all time high level, it was falling like anything. Then it has taken a very good support at 37,500 here. 37,500. So now what can be the next level for the next week? Abhi after it has not broken 37,500, taken good support here. Then 30 after breaking, if it breaks 37,500, then it can reach to 37,300 here. 37,300 can be the next support, and after that it can be the 36,800, 800 somewhere, which is actually near about 200 EMA also. So keep this level for support. 37,300 is the important level. 37,300 at downside. Now we'll talk about resistance. At resistance 39,000 here. 39,000 can be a small resistance for Nifty Bank to break it. But if it's breaking it, then it can go to 39,700 here. No, here. This can be the next level, next resistance level. So important level at downside 37,000, at downside 37,300, 37,300 to 39,700 700 can be the strong range bound area for the Nifty Bank to trade in next week. So keep these level in your mind. Now we'll discuss that stock. So after discussing the bank nifty, I will come to that stock, and that stock is very popular and it is in news today because you all know our PM Modi ji has launched the 5G services in India. So first I will discuss the news and then I will discuss the fundamental and technical also. So Bharti Airtel is launching 5G telecom services in 8 city. First in 8 city with 4 metros also, Bombay, Delhi, Kolkata and Chennai. And after that, they will cover the entire country by next to next financial year, means they will cover the entire country by March 2024. So the telecom sector is going to be beneficiary for it, and the Bharti Airtel is actually huge, big telecom operator in India. It has the huge market cap. It is eighth valued company by market cap in India after SBI. So now I will discuss the fundamental. The stock market cap I already told you, 4,60,775 crore. You can check the fundamental here. Stock P is 93.4, which is actually very high, and it is overvalued, but cost come with the value comes with the cost. ROC is 12%, which is okay, good. ROE is 5.86%, means almost 6%, which is actually I don't feel it is good, but SIA. Dividend yield is 0.38%, which is okay, and debt to equity is 2.55, which is actually company पे debt है, and operating profit margin is 50%, almost 50%, means company is generating profit, and since last few year company is maintaining operating profit margin, and company is profitable also, but हाँ debt है company पे. Now I will discuss the fundamental, sorry, technical. So last actually I will give the link in I button. I have made the video also on Bharti Airtel where I have given the target of 800. तो 797 800 तो वो पहले ही टच कर चुका था, बट लास्ट फ्राइडे इट हैज broken the 800 also and reached to 807. So target is achieved till now. Now I will give you the new target. So you can check the that video. You can check that video. Now see the क्या मतलब last Friday तो ये क्या means how it surged, and support. Actually earlier I gave this level here. It breakout happened. After breakout it reached to 800, almost 800 level, and then it retraced also. It retraced till here, means it retraced till 755, and 750 will be the actually strong support for it also. So it retraced also. जिन्होंने नहीं लिया था यहाँ पे, they could have actually taken here also, but अभी तो it also retraced completely. Now it has started surging again, and it touched the 807 also. So the support can be the 8 760 के ऊपर support is okay, like good, एंड हाँ 750 के नीचे इट विल बिकम वीक, और आफ्टर breaking 800 it will definitely go short term to mid term, it will definitely go to 880. So keep your eyes on this level. 760 is actually you can buy here 760 के ऊपर. 750, हाँ 750 के नीचे it will be weak. You can hold it for long term also, it is very good stock. And उसके ऊपर 880 तक के टारगेट इज डेफिनेटली फॉर मिड टू शॉर्ट टू मिड टर्म. So this all this I wanted to discuss. Please hit your like button. Now signing off.